Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Bitcoin Ace, and today we are going to review Btcbux. Very nice little online earning site in crypto. It features many of your favorite ways to earn: viewing ads, short links, classic faucet, and a referral program. Here on your dashboard, you can see your current balance, what you've earned today, your referrals, and your membership. Here you can see your current level in Btcbux points, and we'll go over that more later in the video. Here you can see your earning statistics. You hover over the day, you can see exactly how much you earned for that specific day. If we scroll down, we'll see buttons for earnings, opportunities, as well as the referral program. Those same things are here. We'll take a look at the view ads section first. There are 13 ads available for a total of 77 Satoshi. Just like most paid-to-clicks, you need to click the title, and that will open a new tab. For this particular ad, you would earn 10 Satoshis for a 10-second view. And we'll see if there's any that I haven't viewed yet. For an example, here's one. Let's click it. And here in the Btcbux tab, you'll see a timer counting down. When the timer reaches 0, it says validating your view, and you'll be able to close the advertisement and see that you earned some Satoshi, 5 in this case. And again, there are 13 ads for 77 Satoshi. This will just take a few minutes of your time, so it's worth it to view them all. Short links, the same as any online earning site. If you've seen them before, you will click visit link. Now there will be some pop-ups you'll have to close and a few directions to follow, but it doesn't take very long. And once you're rewarded, you'll come back here and you can see the reward for each short link. You can vote on them as well. Here we have 10 different views available for 50 Satoshi. And again, this won't require a lot of your time, so it's worth it to do them all. And the classic faucet. This format is like some you may have seen, where you roll a number, and depending on what you roll, you can find the corresponding prize here. Our last roll, we rolled 13,718 and won 10 Satoshi. Now here, you can turn on and off a sound which will let you know it's time to claim again. Sounds like a doorbell. Let's check out the referral program. As with most sites that you earn online with, they do offer an affiliate program. However, at Btcbux, you are paid commissions on 3 levels of referrals, which means you earn from your referrals, you earn from their referrals, and you earn yet still from their referrals. We'll take a look at the commission rates. Every activity that your referrals complete, you will earn commission for, whether it's advertisements, the faucet, short links, etc. The people you refer, you will earn 20% commission on their activities. Those that they refer, you will earn 10%. And the ones that they refer, you will earn another 5%. So this can be very, very lucrative if you are able to refer new members. Also here in the referral program tab is where you would grab your affiliate link This is what you would share or post on other websites, and when someone clicks that, they become your referral once they sign up and join the site, and you can earn from them. Also, to help with your advertising efforts, they have some banners available, a few different sizes, and those always come in handy. They are eye grabbers. Now, if you go to your account tab here, you can click Profile and view your personal information and make any changes. You click on Settings. You can come in here. There's only two. You can change your password, or you can set up your two-factor authentication, which I would recommend 100% for each and every site you are a member of. In the History tab, click Earnings, and you are directed to a page that itemizes each and every activity you have done to earn. We'll tell you how much you earned and the time. So if you have a question about your earnings, you can come check the History tab. If you'd like to make any deposits to advertise, you would come here and click Make New Deposit. They accept Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, US dollars, and Russian ruble through Payeer. You would simply click your desired method. They will give you an address, and you can then send your funds. Same thing on the withdrawal page. You can withdraw in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, as well as Payeer with US dollars and Russian ruble. You will see the minimum withdrawal amounts for each method here, and you will need to reach this amount before you're able to withdraw, which does not take very long, as there are tons of ways to earn, and you can stack sats in a hurry. Now for the advertising section. Like most pay-to-clicks, this is pretty simple to set up. You would click Create New Ad. From here, you just fill in your advertisement details. Very simple. The URL, which would be your affiliate links to any sites or your website or anything you'd like to drive traffic to. And you simply enter a title, a description, and then you would choose the duration. They have 10-second ads all the way up to 60 seconds per view. And if you start at 10 seconds, very cost-effective price of 8 Satoshi per click. They also give you a few other options to target your ads even further. Now, if you're advertising any crypto-related project, you have highly targeted advertising here, and it would be very good for your project. Let's go back to the dashboard and take a look at the points system. Here you'll see the percentage of points you have to the next level and how many total points you have. You earn points for every activity you do. Viewing advertisements, claiming from the faucet, advertising, referring new members. For every 10 Satoshi that you earn, you receive a point. For every 100 Satoshi you receive in referral commission, you receive a point. And for every 1,000 Satoshi you spend on advertising, you will also receive a point. These points add up, and they will take you to the next level up. Each level up gives you an additional bonus added on to every activity you complete on the site. So it's highly beneficial to stay active on this site, as your earnings can only grow. Btcbux is a fairly new site in the space, and it definitely checks all boxes. I would give Btcbux a rating of 100% legit. They are paying. and you have a chance to stack sats in a great way at Btcbux. That's going to do it for today's review. As always, thank you for stopping by. There is a link in the description for Btcbux if you're interested in joining. I'm Bitcoin Case, and as always, thank you, and I'll see you next time.